This is optical balloon theodolite, designed, developed and manufactured by Neometrix Defense Limited, Noida, India. This is optical balloon theodolite, designed, developed and manufactured by Neometrix Defense Limited, India. This is used by meteorological departments for measurement of wind direction and wind velocity at various altitudes. This is required at airports for measuring the wind velocity and wind direction at various altitudes. This is optical balloon theodolite, designed, developed and manufactured by Neometrix Defense Limited, Noida, India. Thank you.